In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to add Notion widgets. If you've ever wanted to bring live tools like clocks, weather, countdowns, or quick utilities into your workspace, this walkthrough will show you the simplest path using Notion's own gallery so everything stays clean and reliable. Start by opening Notion on the web or desktop and make sure you're signed in to the workspace where you want the widgets to live. At the top of the left sidebar, click your profile to open the main menu. This drops down important workspace options and is the quickest way to reach Notion's built-in resources. From that menu, click Templates. This opens the Template Gallery, which is a curated library of pages and setups you can duplicate into your own space. It's also where Notion highlights useful embeds and widget collections, so you don't have to hunt around the internet for something that works. In the gallery, use the search bar and type widgets. Press Enter to filter the results. This narrows the view to widget-ready templates and integration collections, saving you time and ensuring what you pick will embed smoothly within a Notion page. Among the results, click Widgets and Tools. This collection groups popular widget options and tools that play nicely with Notion. Inside, you'll see previews and descriptions so you can quickly understand what each widget does before adding it. Open any item to view details. When you find one you like, look for a button such as Use this template or Duplicate. That copies a ready-made page into your workspace. From there, you can move the widget block into any page, adjust sizes by dragging the block handle, and rearrange it alongside your existing content. If a widget offers a link or embed code, you'll typically paste the link into a Notion embed block on your page, and Notion will render it for you. Keep the widget on a page where it makes sense, like a dashboard or team homepage, so it stays easy to access. A quick recap. Open your profile menu, go to Templates, search for Widgets, and open Widgets and Tools to browse and duplicate what you need. If you don't see the Templates option, try the web app at Notion. Or update your desktop app. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before duplicating so the widget lands where you expect. That's it. Simple, reliable, and fast. Follow these steps, pick your favorite tools, and your Notion pages will feel more dynamic right away.